Hi, this is Eric. I'm working on Red Hot 2-player today. And this is one of our new power supplies. I haven't hooked it up yet. It is missing a 12-volt line that goes up to the wheels and the lights up here. Actually, these lights. But we're going to worry about that later. Today's concern is replacing the triple ticket dispensers. I have two brand new ones, one on each side. Strategically loaded the tickets, and so I'm going to test them now and see if I get the same errors. And turn that on. Still don't have sound. I do have lights. Go ahead and apparently that one owed tickets. 612 on this one, 200 on that one. The problem I had before was when I would run... Oh, that wheel's not turning the right speed. Oh, yeah, it is. When it would dispense tickets, the machine would kind of short out and go back into diagnostic mode. So let me grab a couple tokens here. I just cut my fingernails so I can hardly feel anything. Alright, we're gonna test our fancy dancy. Make up your mind. Okay, so far so good. That's good. Alright, let's test the other side here. I have no idea where they're at because someone's clothes are in the way. Well, I think it's working. Cool. That lends credence to that this ticket mech was actually bad. Cool. That's very good to know. Alright, so then the last thing, well, good, I don't have to put this in. That makes me feel much, much better. So I need to get that in because that one's missing. And that one's missing too. So I have one other speaker I have to put in here. And then this will be floor ready. Once it doesn't have the clothes on it. Cool. Thanks for watching, and I will see you with the next video. Have a good one. Thanks for watching. You don't need to click or subscribe or anything because I don't get any advertising on this channel. But just enjoy your time here. Thanks.